Welcome everybody, Kelly Driver here. Thank you for joining my art channel today. Very happy to have you along. I'm going to do a seasons set of paintings today. So we've just come into December, which is summertime in Melbourne, and I thought it would be great to do a summer, autumn, winter, spring set of paintings. I've got some baby canvases, so we'll see how we go, but let's get into it. Okay, so here's my little baby canvas, all ready to go. So we'll put white paint on first, and then I'll blow that out and we'll take it from there. So they're all going to have a white base. Okay, so now we'll do my interpretation of winter, and that being an Australian winter, so it's not really harsh like other countries. So this represents those grey, drab sky that we get in the winter time, especially in Melbourne. This is phthalo green. Then I'm going to do a blue for a lovely blue wintry sky. And this is the gorgeous phthalo blue. Then I'm doing permanent red violet. And light rose. Light rose and the permanent red violet representing winter blooms of flowers. And we'll put some silver all over. Okay, now I'll flood the canvas with some white. First of all, I'm going to blow the paint over. Well, that's very pretty. Very pretty indeed. Okay, that's gorgeous. I'm not going to touch it too much. So we haven't got a lot of the warm grey. There's only a tiny bit that seems to have got lost in there, but that's okay. I don't mind that. We've got the phthalo blue is doing its magic, of course, and the phthalo green as well. Looks stunning with the white base. And I've got a lovely little bunch of cells in the center there. So we'll leave it there so we don't lose our negative space. That's gorgeous. Just beautiful. Very happy with our first one for winter. Okay, so here is our little baby winter canvas. So we've got some gorgeous, I'm doing it on this angle so I don't get the ring light. So we've got some beautiful blues and greens with the gorgeous pink in the center. So that is very pretty indeed. I'm really happy with winter. Now we will move on to spring. Right, so here we are for springtime. So we've just finished springtime in Melbourne. And so these colours are very prominent in my mind. Now, I don't know about you, but sometimes I feel like when it's hard to imagine winter when you're going into summer and vice versa. So anyway, I think I've got it all right though. So I've got my springtime colours now. So for springtime, I'm going to do some greens and pinks and a light gold. So to flow over from our previous one, I'm going to put phthalo green on again. Then I'm going to put on greenish yellow for the representing like the new little leaves that we see. We're going to go with turquoise green, quinacridone rose light, and light gold. Wow! Isn't that cool? That's gorgeous. So here's our little springtime zoom in. It's fantastic. There's like a collide, a little rainbow down here. How pretty is that? And then through the center, the colors are so pure, which is fantastic. So I'm very happy with the results of this. And I think that has a lovely spring feel to it. Right, now we're going to do summertime. Summertime in Australia. Right, so we've got our blue to represent swimming at the beach. We've got yellowish green for representing the garden. Turquoise green to represent the crystal clear waters. Then we're going to put on permanent red violet, quinacridone rose light for the garden, gold yellow, and deep gold. I put them around the wrong way. I was going to do them the other way around. Oops, forgot. Did it around the wrong way. I was going to put pink on last. That's not happening, is it? I don't like that. I do not like it. I'm going to scrape that off. I don't have enough negative space on there. Okay, so we're going to try summertime again, and I've taken out a couple of colours that were overkill. Blue for the beach, lush green, so that is yellow green, turquoise blue for the water, quinacridone rose for spectacular flowers, gold yellow for the sun, the heat, the garden, and quinacridone rose light, and deep gold. Okay, I like that. That's lovely. I'll be able to position that in a beautiful way. I just needed to get a bit more negative space on there. That's pretty. Oh yeah, that's nice. Didn't like scraping that first one off, but it just didn't do it for me at all. Okay, here is our summertime. So we've got that, one of my favourite colours, that gold yellow in there, with some gorgeous pinks and greens and blues. I think that's pretty good for representing summer. Look at these bits over here. How gorgeous is that there? Love it. Okay, good. And now for autumn. Okay, so in this one, first of all, I'm going to do olive green deep. Then I'm going to do the blue again. This is just my made up blue from leftover paint actually. I'm going to do gold yellow, and I'm hoping some green will come from those colours. Then we've got permanent red violet for some autumn leaf colour, and we've got permanent red purple. Just do a little splash of azo yellow lemon, and on this one I'm putting in copper. Not too much copper, it's very overbearing. Well, this one's a bit strange. I don't like it. I do not like it. We're going to scrape this one off too, and we'll do a colour change. So I'm going to put, we're going to scrape this off. We're going to put in phthalo blue and leave out the sky blue type colour. Okay, so that was olive green, phthalo blue, gold yellow, permanent red violet, azo lemon, permanent red purple, we're going to put in a little bit of copper, and I've decided I'm going to add in some gold. Fingers crossed this time. Wow, isn't that one just totally different? That's fantastic. This is great. Great, great, great. Very happy I can absolutely work with this. Beautiful. It's fantastic, really good. Wow, what a difference. Just great. Okay, I'll bring you down for a close-up of this one. Okay, so isn't this one different from the others? So we've really got some different shades going on here, but I do believe they represent autumn. I hope you think so too. Some fantastic streaky lines in there, and if you follow me you'll know I love that, and I really like those cells in the middle. Alright, now it is time to put it all together and see what we think. Okay, so here we are with all of them together. We'll do a little zoom around. So we've got our winter with the phthalo blue, phthalo green, and some lovely wintry tones through there. Then we come up to our springtime themed one with the colours of flowers and new life, green leaves. And we've come over here to our summertime one with our golden colours and blue water, green leaves, flowers, and then we've got our autumn one with our phthalo blue and the olive green, and some lovely autumn tones in there with the reds and yellows representing the autumn leaves. So I'm sure that I'm going to fiddle around with these, the way these are positioned over the coming days, especially when they're dry, of course, because they're a lot less fragile then. But I'm super happy with them. I hope you think they're cool as well. So I'm Kelly Driver. Thank you very much for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed my seasons paintings, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.